In today's economy, cutting expenses is a priority for most businesses. Want to know an easy way to save big on payroll tax expenses? Offer your employees Transit Check by WageWorks commuter benefits. Each year, Transit Check by WageWorks commuter benefits programs save employers millions. In fact, companies can save up to $350 per year in payroll taxes for every employee who takes full advantage of the program, and these savings add up. As employee program participation grows, company savings increase. It's that simple. Very often, your savings pay for the cost of administering the commuter program and then some.
I've had great feedback. The ease of use of it, that they get a transit card, that's simple, that is easy to manage. Once they signed up for it, there was nothing else for them to do. They just save money every month.
It's actually like giving the employee a raise without having my company any additional cash outlay.
Transit Check by WageWorks commuter benefits allows employees to use pre-tax dollars to pay for their commute. This means they save money on something they already pay for. No matter if they commute by subway, bus, train, ferry, vanpool, or qualified parking. Transit Check by WageWorks commuter benefits will work for them. When employees set aside money pre-tax, it lowers their taxable income, which means they take home more money. When employees take advantage of the commuter benefit, they can deduct up to $130 per month on transit and $250 per month on qualified parking. The result can be tax savings over $1,800 per year.
And we found that we're saving on the payroll taxes. It's been a real home run for us as the company and for our employees.
Our dedicated commuter benefits experts will be happy to recommend the easiest and most effective solution for your company, whether you have a dozen people in one office or a dozen offices nationwide. You'll get maximum value and enrollment from your program, thanks to support from our participation team. And lastly, you'll get unmatched service from our world-class customer support team, who are focused on resolving questions you or your employees may have. So there you go. Everyone saves with Transit Check by WageWorks commuter benefits program. So what are you waiting for? Start saving money today. Call Transit Check by WageWorks.